When buying your groceries, you usually come across this vegetable mix that is already chopped up for you, ready for cooking. So in this video or in this recipe, I'm going to be showing you how to cook this vegetable and turn it into a delicious sauteed vegetable mix. Now, you're going to need a few ingredients which you're going to find listed in the description box, and the recipe is going to be super easy and simple, and also it's going to be fast. If you can't find the vegetable mix, you'll need some broccoli, cauliflower, carrot, red cabbage. We have some snow peas and green beans that are chopped up. Yeah. So I'm going to start off by placing my pan over medium flame. You'll add in a tablespoon of cooking oil over medium flame to your pan. Then for the recipe, I'm going to be using some leek. Make sure to wash your leek in between the leaves so that you can make sure it doesn't have any soil or dirt in between. That is a whole leek, which is going to add in so much flavor. Saute the leek over medium-low flame for around a minute until it's soft. And once your onions are nice and soft, you're going to add in 3 cloves of garlic that is grated or minced. Saute for around 30 seconds so that the garlic can cook and get very flavorful. When the leek is ready and the garlic is well cooked, you're going to add in 1 seasoning cube. It can be vegetable to make the recipe vegan. You can also add in some beef or chicken seasoning cube. Stir in. Add in 1 teaspoon of onion powder and a pinch of black pepper. Saute. Then you're going to add in your vegetable mix. Reduce the flames to low. Toss using your spatula. Then you're going to cook for around 2 to 3 minutes. If you notice that the pan is drying out, you can add in a splash of water, around a quarter cup. Don't add in too much because the veggies are going to sweat as they're cooking or as they're wilting down and release water. After a minute, this is how your veggies are going to be looking. As you can see, they're getting that nice, vibrant green color, and they've also wilted down. You're just going to continue cooking. Next, you're going to grab some dark soy sauce and add in a tablespoon. Add in a tablespoon of oyster sauce. Toss. And both these sauces have some sodium, so we have added in a seasoning cube which has a little bit of salt together with the sauces. You're just going to check the seasoning, and if it's not perfect, you're going to add in some more salt. The kitchen is smelling absolutely incredible from the garlic. This is after 3 minutes. Vegetables are high in vitamins and minerals which our body needs on day-to-day basis, and also they are high in antioxidants. They aid in digestion, and also they're super healthy. That means that this is the perfect side dish for you to try out each and every single time. It's been around 5 minutes and my mix is ready. It's looking delicious and the veggies are tender, not overcooked. They still have that nice color and they're crunchy. I'm going to check the seasoning. Yum. Yes, delish. And because my veggies are ready, I'm going to serve. Put out the flames. I'm going to give my sauteed mixed veggies a try. Super hot. Mmm. Oh, wow. Go in for a second bite. Get some cauliflower, broccoli. Mmm. Amazing. The veggies are crunchy. They have that nice umami flavor and they're well seasoned. So this is a perfect meal prep that you can try out. Or if you're looking for a perfect side dish, this is the recipe for you. It's just amazing. Hope you'll be giving this recipe a try.